So when we started to hear about ChatGPT and the transformer models, that was like a few months ago. I have to say that we started a while ago, actually. We started thinking, okay, which use cases could we cover? How can this help us? And what it turned out is that, we didn't want to build what everyone is doing, right? So just creating articles that nobody really trusts and all that kind of thing. So we didn't want to build on that. So we went to the whiteboard and start thinking about requirements and needs that we see from all over the corners. And something that got our attention was that it could improve the way that the UI is used. And this is why we've built this Omnisearch here at the top. So lots of times you want to search for something that you know what you are looking for, but you don't really know the name of the property. So you cannot use the traditional drop downs and just navigate. And maybe you just want to see how the traffic was yesterday in Canada. So starting today, you can type anything that you wish, and we are going to be scanning your entire article archive for titles, authors, sections, the titles, everything. We have it accessible in a fraction of a second. And for example, even the values of the different dimensions, right? So I can click here, and this automatically sets a new filter telling me or giving, filtering me things or sessions coming from Canada. So more examples that we've seen people using it this week is like, hey, I want to just find out Google Discover traffic. So you can type Discover. You don't even need to put Google Discover. So the system is going to figure it out automatically. And all in a sudden, I even discovered that we've got something called Petal Discover, which might be a different thing. So again, everything is here. Everything is accessible. Fraction of a second, you can search for anything you need. Even to the point that, for example, if I go into Investor Place, and I just randomly click on any article, I don't know, this one, I can just copy the URL. It's completely random. I come back here, just paste it, and you see in less than a second, the system comes back with the article. You can click on it, and you are going to jump straight away into this article. It doesn't really matter when you published it. We have it, and we make it accessible. If you want to find out articles written by, I don't know, by Alexandra, so you just come here, you start typing Alexandra, you will see that, I don't know why, but we have, I don't know, sorry, let's use David. So Alexandra is the account that we normally use. And we can see that there is like a David as an author, and everything here, just a fraction of a second away from your needs. So, and by the way, it's not only that we are indexing the entire URL, but I don't know if you know just a portion of what makes part of the URL, you can type that fraction, that portion of the URL, and still works. And you can do the same with the title. That is normally very convenient and very useful for audience teams that, I don't know, you normally encode things into the URLs, just mentioning that it's an SEO or like an article, or that you are writing this for Discover, or in case that there is a breaking news and that you are bundling together several stories, you will be able to follow them all just this easy.